quiet on the satellite and radar composite. Basically dry tonight, so go ahead, make your evening plans, and you can leave the umbrellas at home. Current wind speeds still relatively breezy out there. Sustained winds at 16 for West Palm Beach, 15-mile-per-hour winds in Fort Pierce, and 9-mile-per-hour winds in Okeechobee. Look at Boca Raton. Those are sustained winds at 23. But the pressure gradient is going to relax as we head into tomorrow, and that's going to allow those winds to die down. So better boating conditions by tomorrow. Current wind gusts, we saw wind gusts of 26 in West Palm Beach. Now the dew points in the upper 50s, low 60s. Again, this is more typical of what we would see in the late winter, early spring as far as dew points. So that's why it hasn't felt oppressive out there. It hasn't felt overly humid. Well, the drought monitor still showing abnormally dry conditions across much of Martin County, the southern corner of St. Lucie County. So we really do need the rain. Not going to see any significant rainfall here for the next several days. In the tropics, we're watching subtropical storm Ana, our first named system of 2021. Not looking that impressive right now on the satellite imagery there. You can see that counterclockwise swirl to the north and northeast of Bermuda. The good news, it is moving away from Bermuda, expected to pick up forward speed in the next 24 hours. So by Monday, early morning, 2 a.m., it's going to be racing out there into the middle of the Atlantic. So that is some good news. Now that system in the Gulf they were watching, no longer do they expect it to turn into anything tropical, but it's still going to bring a lot of rain to the folks in Texas. Austin, you could see more than 2.5 inches of rain with that system. So we'll be watching. We could use some of that rain here in South Florida, but not in the next several days. So for your Saturday evening, temperatures dropping in the upper 60s for the Treasure Coast, 73 degrees for the Palm Beaches. And if you are looking to boat tomorrow, the small craft advisory, that's dropping later tonight. Tomorrow, we're going to see those winds anywhere from about 10 to 15 and your seas 3 to 5 feet. Here's your extended forecast. High temperatures are warming back up by Tuesday, 88 degrees, partly sunny skies, and then Thursday into Friday, 90 degrees. So the summer-like heat is back. But generally speaking, mainly dry through Tuesday. Better chance of rain as we head into Saturday.